Hello, good morning, friends. Now, today we'll start about the rain. As we discuss about the rain, it means that water is continuously circulate between the atmosphere and the lithosphere, and this process is called the water cycle. So, for that, first we take the one activity related to this rain. So, first in this activity require the one empty bottle, okay, plastic empty bottle thin it should be take, and add 5 to 10 ml water inside it, and close the bottle, that is tightly, and keep it under the sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes. Now afterwards you take the lighted incense stick. Now open the bottle cap and allow some smoke particles inside the bottle, and again close the bottle very tightly. Now what you have to do here, you have to press the bottle, okay, hard between your hands and crush the bottle, and again you have to release the bottle. Again you press the bottle, and again after the few seconds you have to be release it and observe, okay, observe it. Now you have to given the some question answer related to this activity. First question like that, when did you observe that the air inside the seem to be foggy? So answer will be that is when we stop the pressing bottle, okay, so it will seem to be foggy inside the bottle. Second question like that, when does this fog disappear? So when we pressure is released, the fog will be disappear. Third question, when is the pressure inside the bottle higher? So answer is like that, when bottle is crushed, the pressure inside the bottle is higher. Fourth question, is the fog observed when the pressure in the bottle is high or when it is low? So for that, the fog is observed when the pressure in the bottle is low, okay. And fifth question, what is the need for smoke particles inside the bottle for the experiment? So for that, condensation take place. And last question, what might happen if you do the experiment without the smoke from the incense stick? Now try it and check if the prediction was correct. What might be happening in the above experiment in the absence of smoke particle? So here for that is fog formation will not be take place for that, and vapor is converted into the liquid form. So from this experiment, okay, here we discuss about the rain. So as previously discussed about the rain, that is water is continuously circulate between the atmosphere as well as lithosphere, and this process is called the water cycle. Solar heat evaporates water from the ocean, and a few amount of water is also evaporated from the surface of land as well as from the plant. And due to the solar heat, air is also heated, and the hot air rises up in upward direction, carrying including with water vapor, and this hot air rises up, it will be expand and cools, and this cooling causes the water vapor in the form of tiny droplets, and these tiny droplets grow bigger by the process of the condensation, and when these drops become heavy, they fall down in the form of rain. So this picture we can be observed, that is a satellite picture showing clouds over India. So in India, that is rains are mostly brought by the southwest or northeast monsoon. Now we discuss about the air pollution. That is the fossils like coal and petroleum, that is a petrol, diesel, kerosene, these are the petroleum products, okay, and this contains very small amount of nitrogen as well as sulfur. Now when these fuels are burnt, nitrogen and sulfur are also burnt with help of the oxygen, and these gases, that is nitrogen and sulfur, convert into nitrogen oxide as well as sulfur dioxide, that is NO2 gas and SO2 gas. Both are highly poisonous gases. Both are highly poisonous gases. Now these gases dissolve in rain. Okay, these gases dissolve in rain and to give rise to the acid rain. Okay. Now beside that is combustion of fossil fuels also increase the amount of the hydrocarbon, that is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, such type of gases, okay, will be increased into the air. And such type of, that is a breath we take, that is NO2 gas, SO2 gas, CO gas, CO2 gas, okay, such type of gases we take in our lungs. Okay, so at that time our bodies do not react with it, that is different type of allergies, that is lung cancer, heart disease, tuberculosis, such type of disease will be created by the human beings. So it is very dangerous, air pollution. So the definition that is related to the air pollution, that is an increase in the content of these harmful substances in air, it is known as the air pollution. Now here, that is a picture you can be observed, that is lichen. So this lichen, it is a living organism. Lichen is a living organism. So this living organism, that is grow on the surface of rocks. While growing, they release some chemical substances, okay, certain chemical substances, and these chemical substances causes the rock surface convert into the powder form, and this powder form, there is thin layer of the soil. And this organism play important role in the soil formation.